Welcome to the Force Tutorials Masterclass. In today's video, we're gonna take a look at how to create curves on an already existing surface. In our previous tutorial, we took a look at how to create custom curves on an existing NURB primitive. Now we're gonna see how to create custom curves on an existing complex surface. You wanna create just not an isopalm, but you wanna create a custom shape. So in order to do that, first you need to select the surface that you wanna create the curve on. Right now we have this surface. I made it a little bumpy so it is a little more complex for us to work with and we can see the result better. And after you select that surface, you need to make that surface live by clicking on this button right here, just like we did in our quad draw retopology tutorial we did before. And after you have done that, now this surface is live and you can draw on it. So let's select our EP curve tool. And now we can start drawing on this curve. Now you can see every curve that we draw follows the surface that we draw it on because we have made this surface live. And after we have finished making that curve, let's finalize it by pressing the enter key. And you can see we just have access to two directions to move it in. We don't have the capability to move it off the surface. That is because it is made on a live surface. And you can move the curve anywhere on the surface and you can see it's gonna follow the surface that it is on. And after you have made your final design, in order to take this curve off the surface, you need to turn the live surface off. Then you need to select the curve and go to your curves menu and select duplicate surface curve. Now after you do that, it's gonna create another curve that's gonna completely match the curve you have on your surface. Now right now it is attached to that curve, so if you make any change in the curve below, it's gonna appear on the curve that you have duplicated. So you need to break that connection by deleting the history. You can select that object and delete the history by going to your edit menu, delete by type and selecting history. Now both of those objects are not connected to each other and you can work with them independently. You can loft them together by selecting them, going to your surface menu and then choosing loft. So this is one way you can create complex curves by using existing surfaces. It can be a polygon surface or a NURB surface, that doesn't matter. And I hope now you know how to do this thing. It is really easy and you can create a lot of interesting shapes from it. And I'm gonna end this video right here. And as always, if you like this video, subscribe to the channel, leave a like, drop a comment. And if you want to support me directly, the link to my merch store and my Patreon is in the description down below. And I'll see you in the next video.